Bedside commodes are essential medical devices in the form of freestanding toilet chairs. They are portable and not connected to any plumbing system in your house. Hello friends, are you looking for the best commode chairs? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best commode chairs that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Medline Steel 3-in-1 Bedside Commode. The Medline Steel Bedside Commode works three ways for temporary or chronic medical mobility issues. While you can use it at the bedside to eradicate the requirement of traveling to the washroom, you can also use it as an heighted seat above your toilet by removing the bucket and adding a splash guard. You can also completely remove the seat and use its safety rails while using your toilet seat for extra security. This commode has micro-band protection infusion on its handles and seats. This protection inhibits the growth of any form of stains or odors from the bacteria, mold, or mildew, as it won't wear off or wash away. The chair features a splash guard for over-the-toilet use and a removable clip-on seat and lid facilitating easy cleaning. It has a built-in holder that keeps the toilet paper close at hand. The rubber feet ensure that the commode is held in place and they will not scratch the wood or tile floors. The height of the chair can be easily adjusted using the locking push buttons without requiring any tools. It provides height increments of 1 inch from 23.5 inches to 29.75 inches. The chair accommodates a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. Pros: it has a toilet paper holder feature which increases the comfort. Easy assembly. Microband protection antimicrobial prevents any stains and odors caused by mold, bacteria, and mildew. Cons: the chair is not foldable. Number 2. DMI Bedside Adjustable Commode. The DMI Bedside Adjustable Commode is a heavy-duty and an extra-wide commode that assists its users who find it difficult to travel to the washroom or use traditional toilets. It can be used as a bedside commode or can be positioned over the existing toilet as a toilet riser safety frame. The extra-wide platform seating is sturdy and can accommodate up to a capacity of 500 pounds. The large frame of this chair can easily be put over a toilet. The pail can be emptied easily and can slide out from underneath for emptying and comes with a lid that rests on the top. It holds up to 7 quarts. The contoured plastic arms of this commode chair are handy and assist you in comfortably steadying yourself and getting up and down. The rubber tips of the legs are slip resistant and add to the safety of using this chair and contain latex. The chair can be adjusted in the height range of 16.5 inches to 23.5 inches in increments of 1 inch to suit individual requirements. The chair in itself weighs 19 pounds. Pros: it has dual uses, it acts as a safety frame for toilets and can be positioned over a toilet easily. A great option for plus-sized adults. It supports a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. Cons: the arms do not move or drop down. Number 3. MedPro Defense Comfort Plus Commode Chair. It's important to have reasonable expectations of what using a bedside commode will be like. Hint: it's not likely to be as comfortable as using a regular toilet. However, you shouldn't have to suffer or expect to be uncomfortable. After all, depending on your reason for needing a bedside commode, you might be using it fairly regularly. If comfort is one of your main goals in choosing a bedside commode, you might appreciate some of the design features of the MedPro Comfort Plus commode chair. Its extra-wide ergonomic seat makes using the commode more comfortable than usual, accommodating larger users and reducing back strain. Its 7 height adjustments allow the seat to rise from 16 inches high to 22 inches high. Its padded armrest helps you sit and stand on the commode more gently, and its pail can be removed for emptying and cleaning from the top or back of the unit. Considering that it's also a 3-in-1 unit, we think it's safe to say this one can make bedside toilet use as comfortable as possible. Pros: wider than average ergonomic seat. Adjustable height. Built-in splash guard. Cons: does not have a splash guard for male users. Number 4. Nova Medical Products Folding Commode. Many of the commodes on this list are capable of folding up for storage or travel, but we chose Nova Medical's version as our pick for best folding because it goes the extra mile. Its tool-free assembly means you won't be fumbling with too many parts and pieces when it's time to store your commode, and its folded dimensions, 4 inches deep by 22 inches wide, make it simple to stash away under the bed, in a closet, or even in the backseat of a car. In other features, the Nova Medical Commode can be used as a standalone toilet or a raised toilet seat, is adjustable for your height, is easy to empty and clean, and can accommodate up to 300 pounds. It's one of the most convenient options for travel or occasional use. Features: versatile folding commode that can be used as a stand-alone toilet commode, by the bed, or over an existing toilet. Comes with splash guard, bucket with handle and lid for both options. Assembles in minutes with no tools required. The frame, backrest, toilet seat and lid all snap into place. Cannot be used in bath or shower. Fixed arm style. Unfolds in seconds for easy storage. Great for portable use and travel. Legs are easy to adjust with push buttons to raise and lower the seat height. Durable steel frame weighs only 14.3 pounds. Easy to clean. Number 5. Medline Elements Bedside Commode. Need a bedside commode that doesn't announce itself as a bedside commode to everyone who enters your home? Look no further than this version by Medline Elements, which can easily pass as a regular chair thanks to the seat design. It contains a regular removable commode bucket, but it's situated within a plastic frame that looks like the seat of a normal chair. It also has a flat lid that fully covers the seated surface, so when everything is closed up, you can't even tell there's a bucket inside. The chair is also made of bronze-colored steel and beige plastic, neither of which give off clear commode vibes. In fact, the chair's design also allows it to be a supportive shower chair, so it's pretty easy for this one to pass as any old seat in your house. It can accommodate up to 400 pounds, is height adjustable, and is also infused with microban antimicrobial technology, keeping the growth of odors and bacteria at bay better than other models. Pros: seat and bucket can be concealed for discretion. Can be used as a shower chair. Made with microban antimicrobial protection. Cons: may be too high for shorter users. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.